Welcome to a new job circular for Abul Khair Group. Abul Khair Group is one of the leading and successful business company is looking for following professionals for its sales departments of its consumer goods division, that means FMCG department. Position regional sales officer, regional sales in charge. Eligibility criteria is given here, masters or equivalent, and something else. And key responsibilities: performing primary sales order management, verifying secondary sales, ensuring optimum products distribution and visibility, while coordinating and establishing new distribution channel, market territory, as well supervising subordinates. Position second position is territory sales officer. Eligibility criteria: masters or equivalent from any university having no third class or division. Key responsibilities are given here: supervising daily sales activities and something more. And the third position is management trainee officer. Eligibility criteria: masters or equivalent from any public university, any discipline with minimum CGPA 3 or above. Key responsibilities: this position offers a challenging fast track career path. The incumbent will have the opportunity to learn and perform in the different roles in the sales department. Competency level required for all the position: ability to work hard under pressure with commitment and willingness to take on responsibilities, excellent interpersonal skill, ability to ride motorbike. So if you want to apply any of the category or any of the position, you have to be able to ride a motorbike. Interested candidates are requested to send their CV or resume at career@abulkhairgroup.com, mentioning name of the position applied for in the subject line within 27 January 2021. So it is the last date for application submission. It is very easy to send the application through the email career@abulkhairgroup.com. Thank you for watching. See you soon on the next job circular.